In today's video, I'm going to teach you to change the font size in Word. By the end, you'll feel confident making your text larger or smaller with precision, whether you're polishing a document for readability or giving headings a bit more presence. Start by selecting the text you want to adjust. This part matters because Word only changes the size of what's highlighted. You can select a single word, a sentence, a paragraph, or even the whole document if that's what you need. Be deliberate here so you don't accidentally resize text you intended to leave alone. Next, go to the Home tab at the top of the window. That's where Word keeps your everyday formatting tools. In the font group, look for the font size box. It sits beside the font name and shows a number, like 11 or 12, indicating the current size of your selection. Click the drop-down arrow next to that box to see a list of common sizes. Choose the one that looks right for your content. This is a quick way to jump to standard sizes used in most documents. As you pick a size, you'll see your selected text update, making it easy to judge whether it fits your layout and looks balanced on the page. If you want a specific size that isn't on the list, you can type a number directly into the font size box and press Enter. Word accepts sizes from 1 to 1638, giving you extremely fine control when you need it. Keep in mind that very small sizes are hard to read, and very large sizes can push text onto new lines or pages, so use those extremes thoughtfully. You can also make small, gradual adjustments using the Increase Font Size and Decrease Font Size buttons in the font group. They look like a large A and a small a. Click the large A to bump the size up in increments or the small a to bring it down. This approach is great when you're close to the right size and want to nudge the text a little rather than jump to a new preset. As you work, take a moment to review the overall page. Larger fonts can change where lines break and how paragraphs flow, and smaller fonts can tighten everything up. If something looks off, simply adjust again using the drop-down, type an exact size, or click the increase or decrease buttons until it feels right. That's all there is to it. Select your text, use the Home tab's font group, and choose between the drop-down, direct typing, or the A buttons to refine your document's look with confidence.